exploring the phrase, breath of wind, unveiling its meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating phrase, breath of wind. This phrase is not just poetic but also rich in meaning, and understanding it can enhance your English comprehension and expression. Let's explore what this phrase truly signifies. Breath of wind is a phrase that conjures up a vivid image. A breath suggests something very gentle and slight, while wind is air and motion. Combined, the phrase describes a very light, gentle breeze, something so soft that it's almost imperceptible. It's often used to describe a brief, faint movement of air, perhaps just enough to rustle leaves or cool your face on a warm day. This phrase is not only about the literal wind. In English, breath of wind is often used metaphorically. It can signify something that is fleeting, gentle, or transient in nature. For example, in literature, a character's presence might be described as a breath of wind to convey their gentle or ephemeral nature. It's also used to describe changes or events that are brief and almost unnoticed. Let's see some examples. 1. The curtains fluttered with just a breath of wind. 2. Her visit was as brief as a breath of wind. 3. A breath of wind brought a hint of spring in the air. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe both literal and metaphorical scenarios, enhancing the richness of the language. I hope this exploration of the phrase, breath of wind, has been enlightening. It's a beautiful example of how English can use simple words to create vivid, meaningful expressions. Remember, language is not just about communication, it's also an art form. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using phrases like this with ease and confidence. Happy learning!